Le Corbusier, a major figure of the 20th century, sought, after World War II, to define a common rule for studios and construction sites, a grammar of proportion that speaks as much to engineers as to everyday people.
What if architecture could be contained within a single, simple, human measure? Le Corbusier made it his compass, the Modulor.
Look at this chart. Everything starts from the body. The silhouettes define a family of measurements: 27, 43, 70, 86, 113, 140, 183, and 226 centimeters. At the top, a geometric construction organizes these ratios, a progression that links the human form to architectural space. Here, the Modulor unfolds in two scales. The red scale is based on a height of 1.83 meters, the standing man. The blue scale reaches 2.26 meters, the same man with his arm raised. Guided by the golden ratio, these two sequences provide useful dimensions for handrails, windowsills, steps, and furniture.
At Ronchamp, Notre-Dame de Haut is generous, internally dense, and it radiates across the landscape. The Modulor acts there as a subtle framework. It guides reachable heights, opening proportions, and wall thicknesses that shape light. Measure accompanies emotion without restraining it. At Saint-Dié de Vosges, the Claude Duval factory shows the system's other face: geometry, grid, and rhythm. Pilotis, precisely drawn windows, roof terraces. The rule structures the whole and organizes work on a human scale. Many see it as a systematic application of the Modulor, like a music of dimensions. The Modulor asserts a simple idea: measure is born from the body.